Hello, everybody. Our spirit wants us to know that in the past we were kind of stuck. Um, Mostly because of things other people said to us, we took it to heart and we stopped doing the things that they didn't like us to do. And also, some of us got very depressed, and that caused us ill health. It created blockages so that we couldn't receive our harvests. But we've gone within ourselves and we've let go of those things, and we realize they're just temporary. They do not define who you really are. You've connected to yourself, your inner being, and you've reconciled that those things don't serve you. You are becoming self reliant, depending on your own inner self. Spirit says, for those reasons, you are highly thought of in the heavens. There are new opportunities and things like that coming our way. We need to trust the magic of the universe. The universe is abundant, and there's lots and lots of happiness coming our way. We must take a leap of faith and do those new things that come our way. It's going to bring us happiness and growth in all areas of our lives. Um, we do need to defend ourselves with our finances. We must be careful and take care because we want to balance our money and help other people. There's a lot of wrongs that are being made right, and the universe says, yes, they're with you, they're guiding you, they're helping you. And this will lead you to wealth. Money is coming your way. There's a lot of clarity. We are starting to see things much more clearly now, which will help you a lot to follow your own truth, because there are changes coming into your life. These changes are happening to make you happy and want to celebrate with people around you, and also end the troubles that you sat with for so long. In your marriage or commitments or friendships, there's an energy of stability, and lots of love is flowing in and out at this stage. Our loved ones want us to know that we are spiritual teachers and we need to share our wisdom with others. You are born to